Hi there and Happy New Year. Today I thought I would do a really quick and easy video, a little tutorial or wig vocabulary segment on wig stands, how to put them together and what they're good for. So this is a plastic wig stand. They come in very handy for travel since they collapse, and they're very affordable. I think this was maybe $2 online. And all of the manufacturers make them pretty much exactly the same. They have little notches, and that is how they go together. So you're going to slip that one in, and then you're going to have to kind of wiggle this top until those two notches come together. And there you go, it's all together and fairly sturdy. These little notches are what hold on to your wig and go through the wefts. So, just gonna put it on. And there you go. Now this is very useful for after you wash your wigs and you want them to dry. Or if you have been out in the summertime and you're kind of sweaty, so it might be a little bit damp. It keeps air circulation going through your wig and prevents mildew and helps it dry much faster. So, super easy and very affordable. So as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Kitten appearance.